Alright guys, I wasn't going to do this video because I fixed the problem with my Honda. And most people, when they fix the problem with their 1998 Honda Civic, the crank no start problem, they just go on about their day. They don't tell you how they fixed it. And it's caused a problem. It's been 20 years and people have been having the same crank no start problems with their Honda Civic, guys, for 20 years, all because as soon as you figure out what the problem is, you don't tell nobody. And it's caused 20 years of the same problem for people, guys. So I'm gonna tell you right now, okay? It's your ECU thermostat housing, ground. That's what it is, okay? Well, and you're gonna spend 150 on the ignition coil, 100 on the road, or you're gonna do all these things, replace the PGM-FI main relay. You're gonna do all these things, and none of them are gonna work. Hundreds of dollars. There goes your tax money. It's all gone. And all you had to do was just scrape a little bit of metal and rewire your ECU thermostat.